So we've got this great home in Cedar Grove. It would make a perfect starter home, fenced backyard, and a garage.
Absolutely, and it's only half a mile from this beautiful little park. Let's go check it out.
The back porch is connected to this great spacious living area. The vaulted ceilings make it seem even more expansive.
And here in the kitchen, you're overlooking that space, so you're not completely disconnected. Now come look at the details.
This split floor plan offers a great spacious ensuite with a tray ceiling.
And check out this closet.
I love the screened in back porch. It's pet friendly with a little pet door.
And you've got plenty of space for the fur babies with a shed.
Absolutely.
So for more information, look in that description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com, for more deals like these.
See you in the bloopers. Oh, I didn't know where you...
Breath of life. Great home in Cedar.